Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have studied T0 space, T1 space and solved some examples on T0 space and T1 space. Okay, now let me discuss some more theorems on T0 and T1 space. Okay, theorem 7, to show that every T1 space is T0 space but converse is not true. Here we have to show that T1 space is T0 space. Every T1 space is T0 space, but every T0 space is not T1 space. Okay. Now let X tau be a T1 space. Okay, then by the definition of T1 space, there exist two distinct elements x1 and x2 such that x1 belongs to U, x2 does not belongs to U. x2 belongs to V, x1 does not belongs to V. Hence, there exists a neighborhood U of x1 which does not contain x2. Therefore, the given space is T0 space. Okay. Now the converse part. Let x equals set of a comma b and tau equals x pi singleton set A. If A and B are not equal, then there exists a neighborhood singleton set A of x such that A belongs to singleton set A and B does not belongs to singleton set A. That is, the given space is T0 space. Now we have to check whether this T0 space is T1 space or not. Okay, because each singleton is not closed set, then the space is not T1 space. Or conversely, let A and B are belongs to X, then there exists a singleton set A and X belongs to tau such that A belongs to singleton set A, B does not belongs to singleton set A. B belongs to X, A belongs to X. That is, the space is not T1 space. Hence, every T1 space is T0 space, but the converse is not true. Okay, next theorem. Show that every finite T1 space is discrete space. Okay. Let x tau be a finite T1 space and A is a subset of X. Here we have to show that x tau is a discrete space. Okay. Let A is a subset of X. X is finite. X is finite, nothing but their subset A is also finite. Quadratic equation number 1. It is given that since X is T1 space, singleton set X is closed for all the members of X. That is, A can be written as union of collection of singleton set X such that X is a member of A. That is finite union of closed set, because this is a closed set, X is a closed set. This is finite union of closed set, but we know that finite union of closed set is again a closed set. Therefore, A is closed set. Quadratic equation number 2. We know that a space X is T1 if and only if every finite subset of X is closed set. Also, X minus A is finite set, X minus A is closed set. This implies X minus A is closed, nothing but A is open set. Thus, we prove that every subset A of X is both open and closed. Here we have taken A is, we have proved A is closed set. Here we have proved A is open set. Therefore, we can say A is both open and closed. Hence, X tau is a discrete space. Next, theorem number 9. A topological space X tau is a T1 space if and only if tau contains the finite topology, cofinite topology on X. Okay. Let X tau be a T1 space. To show that tau contains cofinite topology on X, that is, to show that tau contains subset A of X such that X minus A is finite. It is given that X is T1 space, therefore singleton set X is closed set for all the members of X. This implies X is closed, nothing but X minus this set is open subset of X. Okay, this implies X minus singleton set X is member of tau. That is, X minus of this one, X minus singleton set X equals X cancel, minus minus plus positive sign. We have singleton set X which is finite. This is true for all the members of X. Therefore, using the definition of cofinite topology, tau contains cofinite topology of X. Okay. Theorem number 10. Prove that a homomorphic image of T1 space is T1. Okay, let X tau be a T1 space. F maps from X tau to YU be a homomorphism. To show that Y is T1 space, X is T1 space, here we have to show that homomorphic image of X is Y. Y is T1. We have to prove that Y is T1 space. Okay, since it is given that X is T1 space, there exists G and H open set of tau such that X belongs to G, Y does not belongs to G, Y belongs to H, but X does not belongs to H because X and Y are not equal. This implies Fx not equal to Fy. Since mapping is 1-1 onto homomorphism, it is open mapping. That is f of x and f of h are open in Y. F of x belongs to f of g. F of x does not belongs to f of h. F of y belongs to f of h, but f of y does not belongs to f of g. Hence, the space is T1 space.